Hi, I'm Starkey from Driftworks.com and we're back for almost the final part of the Aston Martin video. So yeah, in the last video, wheels, brakes, exhaust bits.
Well, I was doing
tyres,
the exhaust. So basically we've put it's a standard back box that has got like bypass valves and noise valves.
Yeah.
I decided I didn't really ever want. There's no point in having it stupid loud because I'm not that bothered about
You're
it.
over
it
50
nice.
now. You're past that point in your life.
So I basically got given a back box. I've cut it apart. Right, guys, this is just done on my iPhone because obviously I'm in by myself at the moment because of all this self-isolation stuff. So no Starkey to video. Hopefully I'll do a better job. This is the exhaust that I'm making to make it sound better. With the noise valves on, we did take a video before of how the exhaust box is. So now we have it coming in here and here from the car, coming into the back of the box, into a cross pipe, back out the sides, back out the tips. You can see there, made it adjustable and that. I've got away with the noise valves because there's just not really space, and to make it properly 3-inch through, which is what I wanted, it just didn't really work. And I could have put them in here and gone out through the side with them, but it's just not worth the effort. I'm not really that bothered about being a super chav and having it really loud. I prefer it just to sound as it should. So we've got proper 3-inch all the way through, the X-pipe in the middle. Couldn't find the proper perforated one, so I spent an hour and a half drilling holes, which probably not the best, it's not perfect, but that's all we could do, and it's certainly all we can get at the moment with this lockdown. Managed to get some really nice quality packing that comes in the proper heat-proof sleeve, and it's all like woven into bags. I've got a few of them to put in rather than just the loose stuff that just blows out the holes. And then once that's done, we have a sheet here which will be riveted onto the top, so I can remove it and make it repackable if it blows out and gets too loud at any point. Right, so we now have the repackable back box. So I've repacked it with proper gas tight rivets and found some proper packing that's all in sleeves and that, so it won't just blow out the holes. V-bands on the back of the car. That's the aperture where it goes. So put it back on now and see what it sounds like. 3-inch all the way through now, and it sounds fantastic.
But you've deleted the valve, haven't you?
I've took the valves out because I'm not. I thought, okay, it's like you can sit there idle with it making a racket, but then it's just a bit.
I don't think there'll be any point where you would want the valves open.
But that's
for
the
everything
thing.
That you do.
I mean, I can map it from the ECU and the control, and I thought, when do I actually want it to work? I thought, wow, I don't, so I just took them off.
One less thing to go wrong, I guess.
Well, it's just doesn't
one
need
less moving part.
Yeah.
You're not an obnoxious person. You don't want to first get.
The thing is, when I drove it with the original exhaust on, quiet is too restrictive, loud is horrible. Yeah. It just ruins the car.
Yep.
I mean, when I got it with the Aston engine, it had the fuse pulled, which leaves it on loud all the time, and I hated it. Absolutely hated it. It just sounds terrible. So it's like a Fiesta with a pop and bang map. It's just wrong.
Oh, don't insult our customer base.
Sorry, yeah.
So the wheels are on with the tyres. Now this is a Craig Taylor approved ride height, so we are sorry if anyone.
That is quite low. Well, speed bumps are an issue as they are, so. I mean, it's part of the angle a little bit. I mean, hang on a minute.
Jaunty angle.
Look, you can't get your fingers under level, so I think that's quite acceptable.
What would Dan Joyce say?
Who cares what he says?
Yeah, all on. They cleared the brakes. They did just clear millimetres.
It's like the paint's rubbing. You can see on the wheel where the paint has actually touched it, so I've got to. Because they've been painted over paint, so I've actually had to take the paint off. So
rubbing is racing, isn't that what they say?
Well, luckily it's going to
high caliber
detailing
the
tomorrow.
guy that does like for Porsche.
Yeah, because he does like fantastic job, and it really needs it because the paint's not brilliant.
And it's been sat in your dusty.
Yeah, I mean when I got it, it wasn't very nice. It'd been used, and it just needs a proper thing, and the guy does a fantastic job. So it's going.
You're not the biggest fan of cleaning cars.
No,
rather drive.
You chose the worst colour.
I know, but the trouble is, you wash it, and within an hour it looks dirty, but because it needs the paint's not. It needs properly doing, and once it's done, it's really easy to keep cleaning.
Once the car's had that wax over the first time.
He said he can do all the wheels, and because they're still new, he can get a coat on them and hopefully protect them. So yes, that's really good.
A lot of people were unsure on the wheels because
I was. I mean, I
was never unsure.
I mean, how many times I come around and look and go, I don't know.
Too many. But
they look.
Important part of the build, though, isn't it? Like
it makes it breaks it, and actually getting them on.
Even the colour. I mean, we could have had them.
Could have gone black
and waited, but we waited for the coat or the colour.
Yeah.
And I'm so glad we did. It just looks good.
And actually, when the car's almost lowered, it's great.
And they're really light.
Yeah,
when we did the video when they first come out of the boxes, like. We weighed them off. Is it 10 kilos for like?
Check it out on the Driftworks shop on
and
YouTube.
Like a big wheel balance is like 10 grams on for balance weight, which
10 grams, is that it?
I mean, they're balanced up absolutely bang on.
I mean, you put the balance right at the front.
Where it needs to be.
I can see it.
Don't care. It's there for a reason. So engine.
Flap.
Try and work it out.
You got it? Yeah. So, engine bay is done. We had a slight mishap coming into work about the second day, and the header tank split the seam along the back edge here, which I believe is not uncommon, which fills a fuse box full of water. Cool. Nice placement, Aston.
Cool. Great place to have water.
Yeah, and because you filled all the holes, hadn't you?
Yeah, and it's like it got in anyway. That caused a bit of an issue, so we fixed that.
Small holes.
Hey?
Small holes.
Small holes.
Well, how did the water get in?
Oh no, it got into the fuse box. No, we got some into one of the plugs because I hadn't put the little rubber bums in the back of the plugs yet. Anyway, it's done now.
Rookie mistake.
So, they do an engine a cover for the top of the coils to cover the coils, which I've hopefully got an order. And some new bolts here.
They don't do that engine cover bit with the LSs, do they?
They do one that comes right round here, but it looks a bit terrible. So they do like a cover that goes over the rock covers and that side.
This has come out really well. I really like this.
I just had it just Perfections just did it. Speedwells did it. It's just sat in black, and we couldn't quite decide what to do. But I think it looks fine.
Yeah, I think it's really good.
I'm always impressed with these, how far back the engine actually is. Like I didn't realise. Like from factory, how far they're back.
It's meant to be one of the best chassis for drifting because of where the engine sits and where everything else. It's meant to be a really good engine, which is why I like Sultan's.
It's lively as it is.
when we saw Sultan's one, I thought, oh, they've moved that right far back, and then you said at the time, like, that's just how they are.
How will you service this?
It's easy. You can get.
I mean, you're telling me I can't get some.
No, I mean it's actually. I mean, you can get them all really easily in oil and filter. I mean, it literally plugs an oil filter, and that's
but if you need to get the supercharger off.
Oh yeah, that's a different story.
But that's a bigger deal for any car, isn't it, realistically?
To be honest, a lot of jobs that you just drop the motor, but hopefully I won't have to. And you're saying it's not too low. I've already, the second day, the splitter's gone.
But I think that's the way you drive.
Well, no, it's driving on the roads.
There's not book roads.
That was done on the estate, believe it.
Yeah, but you probably...
Yeah, this estate is...
It's terrible, but...
So that's the... it needs mapping. I've got to... Obviously, we're shut down at the moment. No aircon yet. It's all done and everything, but the guy that gasses the aircon is shut because it's an MOT station.
No.
So I've got to do it, gas the aircon and map it. But it drives, considering I've put a small pulley on it, bigger throttle body, ported supercharge, it drives absolutely as it did before.
How does it compare to the BMW? Because you've just finished that as well, haven't you?
Yeah, that's now got a supercharged LS3 in it.
Yep.
That's just an 849 foot-pound and 740 something brake.
Which was, how much did it make when you had?
599.
So quite a
140 horse more and 160 foot-pound.
And that wasn't a slow car in the slightest?
No, really wasn't.
Or a car that was scared of spinning its wheels?
No.
But how does the two compare then?
It's very different. This is, although this is probably as big and probably as heavy, these aren't as light as, and bear in mind it's all alloy, but they're not actually as light as you think. Okay. This feels very like taut and tight, where the BM felt like a bigger car. Yeah. It's still very good, but this is quite a different feel. And you sit very low in this, so the whole driving experience is different.
No, okay. How quick is it?
I don't know. I mean, I've literally
On private roads?
I mean, with the shutdown, I've taken it home and back 4 times. I'm not using it, you know, just.
Yep.
But I'm not going anywhere else because I'm literally driving to back, you know, because that's all you're allowed to do. So I've not been anywhere else in it. So I just don't know.
Are you allowed to do a burnout during the lockdown?
I would have thought so.
Like the sound of it. Can't take these people anywhere.
I don't know.
Who's going to clear this up?
Yeah, who's gonna clean this mess up?
Just need some bubble,
This wraps up this semi-final part of the Aston Martin build. Like I said, we will do a nice fancy wrap-up for people that haven't seen all of the build.
Once it's clean. Yeah.
Once it's clean.
Yeah.
Yeah, so...
Don't write on it again. He wrote clean me in the dust on the back of it.
And now you're getting it detailed.
I should send you the bill.
Oh, you didn't like that?
No. Did somebody mention money?
No. So anyway, any questions, as always, write a comment and either you or your mum will kindly reply.
Whatever.
Can you tell your child to not
What's he washing over there? Are we talking about what he's
He's
washing over
excited.
look at him? How much to do mine?
No.
there? No. That's the
No.
right answer. No.
That's what you need some emphasized Volvo to do your roof.
Oh.
And he also needs the mud flaps.
My car's
Yeah.
lower than yours almost. No, it's not at all. Anyway,
It's louder.
louder. Pops and bangs. Anyway, this is the end of the Aston Martin build threads. We're going to show you on the dyno and stuff like that, if you can record it.
Once I probably did it wrong. Yeah,
I feel on the exhaust or portrait.
yeah, I think it does need.
It does need a clean. And the wheels look great, and they are available on Driftworks. That is very loud.
Nate.
Thank you. You tell him.
Yeah.
Discipline. That's what
Yeah.
we need. Wheels available at driftworks.com. Buy some merchandise. Check out Craig at Dynotorque. And thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe. What else do you have to do? Star, press the bell. Follow the Driftworks shop
Ring the
for...
bell.
No. Do you
Press
know
the
on
bell.
YouTube there's a bell. So
Yeah,
you
you
get-
ring the bell.
Why?
Whatever. Right.
Follow the Driftworks shop.
Bye, guys.
Goodbye.
At Driftworks, we've helped over 50,000 happy customers since 2004. Our huge online parts store is simple to use, with superb shipping rates to anywhere in the world, and finance options available for UK customers. We live and breathe wheel fitment, so if you have any questions about your own car or any of our products before placing an order, please drop us an email at shop@driftworks.com or give us a call. Thanks for watching.